today we're going to be swapping the disk drives in these two Xboxes. I got this one from a friend because its disk drive died, and it was actually cheaper for him to buy a new console that was replace the disk drive. So what I'm going to do is take this console, which is my personal one, has been soft modded, and I'm going to install Steel Battalion onto the hard drive of this Xbox to make it a dedicated Xbox for Steel Battalion. For anybody that doesn't know what Steel Battalion does, it is probably the greatest mech simulator ever made. I'm not saying that lightly. It actually uses this ginormous controller over here. So I think it's like 40 to 50 buttons, maybe more. Has pedals that go with it as well. Pretty awesome game. Pretty fun to play. Ridiculously immersive. But anyway, I'm going to dedicate this Xbox to that and take its working disk drive out and put it into this unmodded Xbox and just have this in my living room to play my games in there. So here we go. So this is Steel Battalion loading up. I'm just going to hit start so you can see what this interface looks like. Here's the controller mostly set up. I'm not actually a huge fan of it as low as it is right now, but the box that I had sitting it on kind of collapsed, so it has to make do until I can make something else work. So you have to actually close the hatch. Go through the proper ignition sequence and toggle all of your in-flight systems on. This one's broken on mine. It's kind of a pain to do. Alright, so let's try that again. Close hatch. Begin ignition. Now I've got all the interface loaded and it's ready to start. And then we just put it in gear and go. But that's all I'm going to do right now. I just want to show you guys what this was, how it works. It's pretty awesome. I'm pretty excited about it. And I'm about to blow up. But I have an emergency eject. And that's it for now. Maybe if I save up some money and buy a capture card, I may actually stream this sometime. But let me know if you think that'd be cool. Just leave a comment down in the comment section. Let me know. Thanks.
I'll talk to you next time.